Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Medicine Insight. A major milestone has been achieved in India's fight against dengue, and for the first time, India has approved a dengue vaccine for the public use. In this video, we will discuss everything you need to know about this latest development. So, India's drug regulator, that is the Drug Controller General of India, has granted the market authorization of Qdenga vaccine. This vaccine is developed by the Japanese pharmaceutical company and it is officially first dengue vaccine which is approved for use in India. So until now, India has relied mainly on the mosquito control measures, early diagnosis and the supportive treatment for dengue. But with the approval of this vaccine, vaccination becomes another important tool in the dengue prevention. And why this approval marks an important step in India? Because dengue is a major public health problem with seasonal outbreaks causing thousands of hospitalization and death every year. The vaccine has been approved for the individuals between age 4 to 60 years. One of the biggest advantage of this vaccine is that pre-vaccination blood testing is not required, and this is a major difference compared to the Dengvaxia. Dengvaxia could only be given to the individuals who have previously been infected with the dengue, because administering it to the dengue negative individual could increase the risk of severe dengue. But Qdenga can be administered regardless of its prior dengue exposure. A total of 2 doses are required and each dose is of 0.5 ml, and second dose is to be administered 3 months after the first dose, and the route of this vaccine is subcutaneous. The clinical studies involving thousands of participants across multiple countries, they have shown encouraging results. The vaccine demonstrated approximately 80% protection against the symptomatic dengue infection during the initial follow-up period. It provided over 90% protection against the hospitalization, which is extremely significant that it prevent the severe disease, which is a primary objective of this vaccination. And long-term studies have also shown up sustained protection for several years after the vaccination. It is a tetravalent live attenuated vaccine and it contains the weakened form of dengue virus, which is designed to build immunity against all four dengue serotypes, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Apart from India, Qdenga vaccine has received approval in around 43 countries across Asia, Latin America, and Europe. Other vaccine is Dengvaxia vaccine, which is manufactured by the Sanofi Pasteur. It is approved for the use in age group 6 to 45 years. It is approved only for the people who have previously dengue infection. Therefore, the laboratory confirmation is required before vaccination. No vaccine is 100% protective. Therefore, vaccinated individual can still develop dengue, although the disease is usually less severe. Second, vaccination does not replace the mosquito control measures. Continuous monitoring will be required to evaluate the long-term safety and the effectiveness even after widespread use. And national guidelines for the routine use in the immunization schedule is still awaited. So even after the vaccination, the mosquito control measures are the most effective strategy to reduce the dengue transmission. So we should remember that elimination of stagnant water, use of mosquito repellents, wear full sleeve clothing, installation of window screen, and seek early medical care in case of fever or any other symptom develop.